Hello, good morning everybody. Welcome again to my channel. Today I'm going to learn you the mantra Tumare Darshan Ki bela from Deva Premal and Miten. It's requested by a Dutch lady called Brigitte Eertink. I hope I pronounce your name correctly because I think it's Brigitte, but you can also pronounce it as Brigitte. So excuse me if I say it wrong. So, I hope you will enjoy this mantra. It's a beautiful one. So, thank you for requesting. And in the next clips, I'm going to show you how to play. Enjoy! So, the chords that you need for this mantra are three chords. The first one is a G chord. Let me see, can you see it properly? Then you need the C minor, and the C minor is just a little barré on the first three strings of your uke, and you leave the bass string open. I have a low G string on my ukulele, on my tiny tenor, so maybe it sounds a bit different because a low G has more bass. And last but not least, you need the F chord. So with these three chords you can play this beautiful mantra, as I'm going to show you in the next clips. Tumare Darshan Ki bela mausam rachane ka. Tumare Darshan Ki bela mausam rachane ka. Liye, ullas ki sanse, Samai, masti, jine. Liye, ullas ki sanse, Samai, masti, jine. Tumare Darshan Ki bela mausam rachane ka. Tumare Darshan Ki bela mausam rachane ka. Liye, ullas ki sanse, Samai, masti, jine. Liye, ullas ki sanse, Samai, masti, jine. Tumare Darshan Ki bela mausam rachane ka. Tumare Darshan Ki bela mausam rachane ka. So as you saw in the clip before, I just improvise what's coming. And you can improvise yourself as well with this mantra. You can start with the strumming, then you can put the fingerstyle in, strumming again. It's up to you how your energy is and what you like and how you feel. So I'm not going to explain you exactly the version I did because I believe in your own creativity. What I'm going to explain is a fingerstyle picking, and I will play the fingerstyle picking totally with the mantra, so you can play the fingerstyle. And I'm going to show you in another clip which downstrum or strumming pattern I use, and I make a clip also with the mantra with the strumming version. So then you have two clips, one with the picking pattern and the other one with the strumming, and you can mix together however you want to mix it. Okay, the picking pattern. I'm going to show you the picking pattern on the G chord. It's a pattern you already know from my other tutorials. It's the pluck one, so it's pluck string 1, the bass string, and string 4, pluck, 3, 2, 3. So pluck 1 and 4, and then string 3, 2, 3. And the rhythm that you are playing is like Tumare Darshan Ki bela. Pluck, tree, 2, 3, pluck, tree, 2, 3, pluck, tree, 2, 3, pluck, tree, 2, 3, pluck, tree, 2, 3. You can make also a body movement, you know, like pluck, tree, 2, 3, pluck, tree, 2, 3, pluck, tree, 2, 3. Okay, let's play now the mantra really slow with this picking pattern. Oh my god, sometimes my English is totally, you know, bad words, how you will blah blah. That's what I mean. Anyway, I hope you still understand what I'm trying to say. That's the most important thing. So, get your position in G, and let me see, I need the lyrics because it's quite a difficult one. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Tumare Darshan Ki bela. Ye mausam, C minor. Rachane, G, Ka. Tumare Darshan Ki bela. Ye mausam, C minor. Rachane, Ka on G, Ka. Stay here. Liye, sorry. Liye, ullas, C minor on Se. Samai, masti on F. Jine, Ka on G. Liye, ullas, Se on C minor. Samai, T on F, jine, Ka. So the strumming pattern that I use for Tumare Darshan Ki bela, it's a new one. I don't think I ever learned this one to you. But what you are doing is what I am doing, and you can, if you like it, also do that, is that I have my index finger on the bass. Then if I hit the bass, I go down to all the strings and immediately go up. So to give you a little bit feeling and an example of it, it goes like this. Tumare, bass strings up, bass strings up, bass strings up, bass strings up. Again, bass with the index, bass, all strings up, bass strings up, bass strings up, bass strings up. And how do you say that in English? The accent needs to be on the second one, all the strings. So it's like bass, strings up, bass, strings up, bass, strings up. My hair is already wild from this. Anyway, let's get serious to the mantra. I'm going to play it really slow for you, and yeah, I'm sure you can follow and make this one to a little really good beat. Okay. Tumare Darshan Ki bela. Ye mausam, C minor. Rachane, Ka on G, Ka. Tumare Darshan Ki bela. Ye mausam, C minor. Rachane, Ka on G. Liye, ullas, Se on C minor. Samai, masti on F, jine, Ka. Liye, ullas, Se, C minor. Samai, masti on F, jine, Ka. So I hope you like this version of Tumare Darshan Ki bela, Brigitte or Brigitte. Thank you for requesting. Thank you so much. Also, everybody who watched this channel and this mantra, thank you. I really hope you enjoyed it. And actually, to be honest, I'm quite curious how you mixed up the picking pattern and the strumming pattern together with this mantra. So if you want, you can always share it with me. I wish you a lovely day. Keep shining your light, and I hope to see you next time on this channel. Bye bye.